folks. As we further explore Kodiak Copper Corp, trading on the TSXV under KDK and the OTCQB under KDKCF. Joined with me is CEO Claudia Tornquist. Welcome.
Hello, thanks for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
Pleasure on this side as well. Before we dive into your recent news, for newer investors, can you explain some of the market conditions that is keeping copper prices up over $4 a pound and driving this kind of new interest in this renaissance of exploration?
Well, the copper market really is driven by the green revolution and electrification. That's the main driver that'll stay with us also for many years to come. All these industries like electric cars, solar, wind are very copper intensive, and you can see the effect already on the copper price now. And going forward, if you look at the plans from governments, car manufacturers, there's still a lot more to come, and higher copper prices and big demand for copper is here with us to stay for many years to come.
Yeah, that's a great point, because I think people should look at like the copper use in an electric vehicle versus an internal combustion engine, because I think it's almost like 3 or 4 times the copper use. So putting that aside, I ask any new investors out there to kind of explore this sector that way, because it is fascinating. But in recent news, Kodiak has been undertaking a substantial fully funded drilling and exploration program at your MPD site located in British Columbia. What new insights can you guys offer? I noticed there's some news releases coming out there.
Yes, we just did an exploration update. At MPD, we were fortunate. We made a discovery last year that was a real game changer for the company and our shareholders. And we raised a significant sum of money, $12.7 million, that funded now a large 30,000 meter drill program for this year. So it's a very exciting year for our company, drilling to follow up on this initial discovery. We are about halfway through the program, have drilled some 25 holes and 14,000 meters, have 2 drills working as we speak, and will have those 2 drills drilling for much of the rest of the year until November or December. So lots more to come. The results so far very encouraging. We have extended the zone of mineralization from a strike length north-south from 125 meters when we started this year to now over 950 meters. That's of course a big step forward for the program. And as I said, still lots of results to come. We only have a small portion of the drill holes yet with results, and many more results pending, the vast majority. So it'll be an exciting second half of the year.
Yeah, you guys are extending that into a 30,000 meter drill program, correct? Now that's just with the, what was that, the MPD. What can you give us insights on the rest of your exploration project? Or does that extend into the other areas of those drill sites and locations?
Well, at MPD, we've so far drilled only one zone, gate zone, where we made the discovery. And from all we can tell from the data from historic drilling is that we have a multi-center porphyry system here. So there are other interpreted porphyry centers where we have some good historic results, but we haven't done any drilling yet. And one of them, the Dillard zone, is on the list for this year. We'll be moving a drill there in September, so very soon. And then we have more porphyry centers to drill for next year. So we won't be short of targets anytime soon. And it's a very busy time for our company.
So this last quarter should be relatively exciting, and you guys obviously extend much past copper as well. I noticed you had some gold findings. Are you guys extending into anything other than just copper and gold? Are you finding any other mineralizations?
Copper, gold, silver are the main minerals in our porphyry system here at MPD. We have a very nice gold credit on the side and some very gold-rich intercepts, and that's obviously also a bonus.
So we're going to be very excited to look through those drill results as they start coming out in the last quarter. Is there anything else investors can be looking forward to with Kodiak?
Well, MPD is certainly our main focus. We also have another porphyry project in Arizona that we have been working away in the background, and that'll also be, or we'll also do some work there next year. So watch for news from there too.
All right, so I guess we'll keep an eye on that, and hopefully that's something we can discuss further down the road. But I appreciate these quick updates, Claudia, and hope you have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too.
All right, stay cool, stay awesome, everyone, and we'll catch you next time.